Hello, boys. You are presently looking at subjects that you may hopefully pick for GCSE. The following slides are hopefully will provide some information on construction, GCSE construction in the built environment and what it entails. The course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to begin your pathway to a career in the fields of construction and engineering. It is a doing subject. 50% of it is putting what you've learned into practice by using CAD to produce technical drawings or manufacturing a product. It is a great launch into A-level construction, and having studied at GCSE makes it a very easy transition to that A-level course. The course itself, it consists of 4 units, 2 which you will do in year 11 and 2 which you will do in year 12. You will do unit 1 in year 11, which is Introduction to the Built Environment, where you will develop an understanding of health and safety, industry standards, employment opportunities, to name just a few. You will also study computer-aided design, which is the drawing using a graphical industry package to make plan views based on a real-life scenario. In year 12, you will study sustainability, which is an exam set, which is worth an hour and a half and with 20%, 30%. You will interpret drawings, domestic buildings, and create an awareness of the surroundings and sustainable construction. And you also complete a craft project, which is a woodwork-based project, and it is worth 30%. The computer-aided design you can see here it shows a front elevation of a house and a plan view. There are other drawings, and this is all based on a scenario set by the examining board. Other areas studied will include health and safety, building structures and construction techniques, sustainability, and planning legislation. So what are the benefits of studying construction? This course will equip you with the transferable skills and develop personal capabilities, including manufacturing, designing, and thinking skills. It will allow you to get the foundations for you to progress to a degree or higher level apprenticeship. And you will have a very wide understanding of all that entails in the construction industry. We look at the way ahead and how we make our homes more sustainable and how we make a sustainable future and reduce our need for fossil fuels. And we will look at the health and safety and the importance of it in the industry. So these transferable skills and high order skills are highly regarded by higher education and potential employers. So the possible career pathways. I took the photographs of the school that we have of our school building, and all the jobs from inception to completion of the Abbey Grammar School were jobs for very professional people that have trained and educated themselves to a high level. Starting off from planning, the planning authority, making stipulations as to what we can and cannot do, to the architects who had the vision for the building, to the structural engineers, to the quantity surveyors, to the building surveyors, right through the actual operatives on site that are qualified in woodwork and metalwork to produce the building that we have. And the civil engineering to provide the roads and their infrastructure for us to get to and from the job. And we have BIM coordinators who do all the drawings. We have the project manager who keeps the project in course from inception to completion to handover, so that everyone knows exactly what they're doing and to make the job as cost effective as possible. And inside that, internally, is the mechanical electrical engineers who do all the computer points, all the electrical work, and the heating, etc. So you can see that all these possible pathways were used in the production and the construction of our new school. Is it a job for you? And to finish, boys, here we have a number of iconic buildings. What have they got in common? The Sydney Opera House, the Louvre in Paris, Pompidou Centre, the Lloyd's Building in London. Well, the common connection is a young man from Dundalk called Peter Rice, a structural engineer. Peter studied at civil engineering at Queen's. He has collaborated with well-renowned architects, putting their visions and artistic designs into reality. He operated and overseen the many iconic buildings you see in front of you. And as a reward, he received the acclaimed RIBA Gold Medal for Architecture, paving the way for others to follow. I ask you the question, could you be the next Peter Rice? This is the start of your career. your career pathway, where will it lead? Take care.